Hey English learners, welcome back to the Daily English Podcast, your English podcast for daily life English, real conversations, and easy English. Listening practice. Hello, how are you this evening? I am a little tired. It is dinner time now. I want to relax and eat.
Hello, I'm good, thank you. I'm also a bit tired. Dinner time is perfect now. I want to eat something warm.
What do you eat for dinner? Do you cook at home? I like simple food. I don't eat too much at night.
I usually eat at home. My family cooks dinner. We eat together every day. I like family dinners.
That is very nice. I also eat with my family. We talk about our day. It is very comfortable.
Yes, family time is important. We sit together and talk. We share our stories. It makes me happy.
What food do you like for dinner? I like soup and chicken. Sometimes I eat vegetables. They are healthy.
I like rice and meat. Sometimes I eat pasta. I also like salad. It is fresh and good.
Do you drink tea at night? I usually drink tea. Sometimes I drink milk. It helps me sleep well.
I drink tea too. Green tea is my favorite. It is light and nice. I don't drink soda at night.
Do you watch TV after dinner? I sometimes watch TV. Or I use my phone. Then I go to bed.
I don't watch TV much. I like to relax and listen to music. Sometimes I read a book. Then I sleep early.
That sounds good. I think rest is important. We need good sleep. It helps us feel better.
Yes, you're right. Sleep is very important. We feel fresh in the morning. It is good for health.
Thank you for the talk. Dinner time is very nice. I feel relaxed now. Have a good night.
Thank you too. I enjoyed our talk. Dinner was great. Good night.